Good day, I'm Richard Lessie, Plant and Facilities Administrator, WASA. We are the St. Anne's Reservoir currently, engaged in a multi-pronged utility approach. T&TEC, TSTT and WASA engage in some line clearance activities.
Removing a tree that is on the property matching up the wall. So what we're doing now is cutting the tree, we are rigging the branches lower down and clearing the tree from top to bottom.
I'm here in the capacity of ensuring quality assurance and also supervising the crew to ensure that the works are completed safely and that the public is receiving a good quality of water.